Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Behind me, I have the 2024 Arctic Wolf 27 SGS. I think you guys are going to really like it. Arctic Wolf, I've heard about it for a while, putting out their own half-ton towable fifth wheel. Finally getting my hands on one, so I'm super excited about this. Specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes will be down in the description, along with my contact information. I am in a sales position, so if you find yourself thinking I'm someone that you would like to work with, let me prove through service and sale price that I'll be your best option. But hit that like and subscribe button. Help me reach my goal of 30,000 subscribers here in 2023. Luckily, I think I'm going to smash it, so I'm pretty darn excited about that too. A lot of good stuff going on in the old personal life. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Again, the 2024 Arctic Wolf 27 SGS. And this thing only weighs 7,600 pounds dry, so pretty darn incredible. And you don't feel cramped. It's that perfect tweener space between you want a little bit bigger in a travel trailer, but you're not quite ready for, you know, a behemoth of a fifth wheel. So it's really nice. Dual opposing slides, kind of your seating and entertainment. And then you also get cooking slide and a little bit more kind of sofa space that also moves out to make an extra bed for some additional sleeping as well. So as far as slide height is concerned, I am 6 feet tall, a beautiful RV salesman, and I would say this puts you right around, 6'3", 6'4", so I like seeing that. You're also going to notice a theme in the Arctic Wolf is huge open windows. So I did put, these ones are kind of wide open. I needed a breeze. It's 80 degrees outside, so it's 120 in here. But I wanted to show that not only do they open, but then back here, these are the zebra shades. So this is going to be in the Dracula mode where all the light's blocked out. You can also kind of move it so these open up to let in a little bit of light, or obviously full-blown open, you're good to go. I also like to see that they went with some of the other brands. Instead of having the traditional table and chairs, they do table and booth. I like it because, one, it's a comfortable place to sit, but you sneak in a little bit of extra storage while still having the benefits of a freestanding table and chair. So I like seeing that. Kind of hit or miss on what people are digging, but I think overall the feedback is really good. Another thing about the windows I like, Arctic Wolf does this, Sabre does it. They're using the mirrored reflective finish. So basically when you're outside, it kind of looks like a mirror. On the inside, what you're going to find is it kind of works like sunglasses to where it blocks some of the UV rays, so that way your furniture is staying a little bit cleaner, a little bit longer as far as sun damage is concerned. So the freestanding table and chairs, you also get the entertainment. This is going to be on a swivel, so you can angle it no matter where you are. You're also going to get a little hidden storage there, which is always a plus. And then you're going to have USB and Universal C along with your GFCI. You also get an electric fireplace that puts out 5,100 BTUs of heat. So in an RV this size, it'll heat up the entirety of this camper pretty much no problem, except maybe the bedroom because there's a little bit of a division. Up here, you got a little wine rack. We know how most campers like to drink a little bit, just a little bit. You got a place where you can, kind of store it. Heading out the back, you do get, now I got this in travel mode, but you do get two extremely comfortable recliners, and they're also going to be on the quick recline. So, they're in sit-up position, but then they go almost nearly flat to a perfect pitch, probably to watch a movie. But again, I can't stress enough just how comfortable they are. Fantastic recliner, especially for an RV. Both sides also get these really tall, high windows, which I'm a big fan of, and they each get some countertop space to, put your devices on there, drop a drink, and they each have the USB and the outlets as well. Up above too, you still get a little bit of storage, and it's got kind of that textured finish to it. So babe, if you're watching, I love you. Hope you're having a good day. She had a couple hair clients today. We had baseball tournament she was at yesterday, so I know she is probably worn out. Mama's going to need some rubs when I get home. I'm probably have to do the cooking and everything. Ceiling fan to help you circulate some of the air. And I don't know if I mentioned on this one or the first video I messed up on, but they were going with the peninsula look, which I am a big fan of as opposed to the island, because it expands that countertop space. And in an RV this size, that countertop space, is really valuable just to put kind of whatever you want. You also get a couple more plug-ins and a lot of storage as well. So you're going to get 3 of these. The bottom 2 are not going to have this part. That's just for the divider for some, I don't know, silverware and whatnot. Farm-style stainless steel undermounted bowl with your high-rise faucet that kind of detaches here. So hitting those dishes from all angles. That pink stuff in there is antifreeze. I guess they're worried that it might freeze up here in this, this heat wave. Pretty clean cut storage and access to your plumbing, which is always a plus. And then opens up there and opens up there, so pretty darn neat. But check out all that countertop space. That's awesome. I'd probably turn this into like a Keurig or margarita if you're getting a little funky down at the campground. You got plenty of places to put everything you want. I also really love this new backsplash. I think that's pretty neat. I don't know what in the world you call it. Maybe you do. Drop a comment, let me know, but I think that design's pretty nice. Tons of storage right over here. This is going to be your scan where you can get all of your online manuals as well. Pretty good storage there, and they stuck with that black textured glass as well. And then this slide out right here, I'll back it up a little bit. Another window, more plug-ins, but then you get this couch that pulls out, comes out to probably about right here. To sleep an extra, 1 to 2 folks. Even though this is traditionally a couples camper, they definitely allow you just enough room to bring, maybe some friends or a little bit extra family. You also got the Girard, so this is going to be a 12 volt refrigerator. So it's going to be just like the one inside your house, except it runs off of the 12 volt, and it's going to be a little bit smaller. So it'll run off the solar panel, which is on top, 100-watt solar panel. Obviously off your truck when you're plugged into shore power, so it makes life nice and easy, and it's a lot more efficient than the old-time kind of gas and electric refrigerator. The outside forces, the sun won't actually heat up the interior of the refrigerator, so that's nice. Big old storage here up above. Fireplace. Hood, so you're going to get a fan that can turn on, or just a light so you can help suck out the steam or the stink from whatever you're cooking. You also get the 3 stovetop burner, and then an oven, which is a good enough size to cook up, pizza, some cookies, whatever it is that you're doing there. And of course you got that little tray there. All right, I think that about wraps up this room. Let me do a little spin cycle here for you. So again, this is the 2024 Arctic Wolf 27 SGS. If you guys have made it this far, if you wouldn't mind, consider hitting that like and subscribe button. It definitely helps, not only in sales, but just, kind of growing this and bringing in a little bit more for my family. Greatly appreciate it. So this right there is for your fuse box. So if something isn't working, it'll glow up nice and red for you. You're good to go. You're also going to see you have your central road vac system, so you can either plug in a hose or you can lift this up with your foot and push everything in there, keep the camper nice and clean for you. This is going to be your control center. So you got a couple different modes here. All your lighting systems, your awning, your slide 1 and 2. You can also check your tank fills right there. You see everything's all filled up and good to go, or unfilled and good to go. The jump box is looking good. Your Bluetooth connect for your speaker system, which is going to be right there on that driven system. A little 12 volt plug in here. You're also going to get the Furrion water heater, which is a big upgrade. I like seeing that. They started initiating that a little bit into 2023. But these interior and exterior are essentially going to be, little lights right there. Get kind of that blue ambient glow. It looks really nice when all the lights are off, and you get a nice little glow for you, so you can come out, get a little midnight snack, while maybe not waking everybody up. Got your voltage meter so you can see what's going on with your battery power, and of course your control for your heat and AC. Bathroom, pretty good size, but nothing that's super crazy. But you get the old porcelain foot flush throne, so if you're a little heavier set guy like myself, you can sit down, do your business, and not worry about it being a plastic, kind of RV toilet. The shower as well is enough head height, and they also doubled up and put in a little bar right there. So I guess when you're not using it to shower, you can use that as a walk-in closet. Haven't seen that before. I think that's pretty neat. So right there, you can see I got plenty of head height. I got enough room to kind of move around. I'm moving and grooving, getting clean, getting all the activities of the day kind of washed off. 2 little octopus doodads sitting there waiting for a friendly towel to be hung up on them. And then you have a fantastic fan to help suck out the steam or stink from what you're doing in here. Big old storage. Show off the bowling gun. This week it might be the dodgeball gun. We had a little dodgeball for the Do Good mission. It was a little charity event. Went out there, got to beam some kids with some dodgeballs, so that felt nice. Didn't win the tournament like we did last year. Last year we brought home the golden dodgeball. This year we're just a bunch of old turds looking weird, hitting kids at a very low rate. actually hit me more, so they kind of got revenge for the year, I guess. So this brings you into the bedroom. It's a true queen bed, 60 by 80. That blue accent lighting is looking nice. You can toggle that on or off. You also get some storage here, which is broken up into 2 compartments, so I dig that. This opening part right there, you get some easier access. I got to learn a little bit about what this is, but it's, maybe somebody in here will know. But that's what that is. You might want to pause and read up on that. I got to educate myself a little bit on this. But it looks like it's a surge protector. It's 150 watts. I don't know. Something to learn there for sure. Little storage over here. Some overhead storage up top that goes all the way across. And then you got another window, which I opened up again to make it more breathable. Different type of blind in here. And then on the other side, you get your emergency exit. So pull, push, and pop. You can get out in a hurry if you need to. You're good to go. You're also prepped for a second AC. So all these are going to come in 50 amp service. You're good to go. You just kind of cut it in and ply it, and you're good to go. It comes standard with one 15K AC, which is pretty juiced up for a camper this size, unless you're camping somewhere, you know, super warm. That really should be everything that you need. TV mounting guide's going to be right there. Make it nice and easy, along with the appropriate plug-in, so your satellite or cable hookup, and then your 2 outlets. You get a little pull-out drawer and an area where you can put like a CPAP machine. And then this side has 2 outlets and then a USB and universal C. And this one gets 2 outlets and then, you know, whatever this thing is. I got to learn what that is. But yeah, also has a USB and a universal C as well. I'm assuming it's a surge protector. That's what it looks like. But all right, guys, that was the inside portion here of this tour. So if that's where you head out, I appreciate you. Again, it's the 2024 Arctic Wolf 27 SGS. Now let's go around the outside, show you where everything is. And then I'm going to go home and see what the fam's doing. Maybe cook out some burgers tonight. I think burgers sound pretty darn good. All right, so all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, again, will be down in the description of the camper. Pretty big size awning. I'm going to guess around 16 feet with the LED light and the little support bar right there. You're also going to get 2 outside marine grade speakers. Your propane behind here. Pretty large size pass-through storage for an RV this size, that's for sure. You're also going to get 2 lights that are motion sensor. You also notice no exposed wood, so it's got that little wrap. And then your aluminum frame construction, which is welded at all points, along with a couple outlets and cable TV hookup with a place that you can kind of feed it through. So since there aren't outlets on the outside, it gives you access from the inside to go out without having to leave this door open. You also get a little leash latch here for your furry friend. Underbelly is enclosed and heated. Propane behind this door. Step above entry steps that flip up into the doorway so you can put them away, but they're going to be a little bit sturdier than your classic RV steps. You're also going to get dual axle, which are on the Castle Rock tires, along with the extra large grab handle. This is what I was talking about for that mirrored finish. You know, you can see this RV right here in there. So it works just like sunglasses to help protect what's going on inside. It also, they were telling me, it helps keep the heat down, which is always nice. Cable slides. LP Quick Connect to hook up a grill is going to be right there. And then you have a bumper with your rack for storage, so you can lay that down, put some totes, holds up to 300 pounds, I believe. Let's see, 200 pounds, so 200 pounds worth of stuff can go on the back of that rack. Put some bikes or, you know, whatever you want there, really. You're also prepped up for the Lippert on-the-go ladder system. Runs you $295 bucks on their, on their website. Then you have the Furrion rear observation camera system, 550 bucks to have that installed, and you basically get a 4.5-inch screen that you can suction cup right onto your windshield. See what's going on while you're driving down the road. That's going to be your 50 amp plug-in. Your fresh drain is going to be right under here, right there. You can see with that gray little cap. And then you also get your low point drains, and then your sewer connection, and your waste holding tank and your galley tank, all going to be coming out of right there. Outside shower, so hot and cold water access, city water connection, fresh water connection, cable and satellite. then your black tank flush, which is basically a sprinkler system there for your poop tank. Magnetic holds there for the door. See the linoleum's in here looking all clean and crisp there. And then you also get your electronic leveling. It's going to be auto level right there as well. More propane behind this door. There are the stats for the camper. Bring it in here. You got your docking light switch right there. Spare tire. Enough room for some storage, and of course your battery. Rhino pin box to allow you just a little bit more room there up front. But all right, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the tour. One last time, it's the 2024 Arctic Wolf 27 SGS. My name is Hunter. Hit that like and subscribe button. Hope to see you next time. See ya.